So if I have one word for mentoring,
Uh, Hello everyone, welcome to Lawn Club. Today we have with us Mr. Pranay Jalan. So hi Pranay, how are you?
so my name is Pranay, and I'm a third year law student at Gujarat National Law University. Currently reaching out to you from Dibrugarh, Assam. Uh, I got to know that I have a deep interest in tech law, and also the fact that I do. So you can find me most of the days going through blogs that you might have never heard of, digging material on tech law, and I just try to do something like a few things here and there just to share my fair bit of gyan with people who are there on the group. So that's me, and over to you guys.
Great. So Pranay, we have heard so much about the campus of GNLU. So
Yeah.
please tell us a little bit about its campus and what do you like most in it?
So the new campus of GNLU is relatively new. We just came up with a new campus in 2013. So it's a sprawling campus, 450 acres, and you have a lot of sports fields, a lot of infrastructure facilities that you can benefit from. So I think it's a good place to be and really a good place to study law at. So the campus particularly is very good. I think the library is the heart and soul of any college or law school for that matter. And
Definitely.
I think our library is we have a world class collection of books and materials, and it's a great facility that we have here at GNU. So even while right now that I'm at home, um, our librarian has provided us with enough resources that I can benefit from, and they're just always there to help us. And I think library is one of the places which I would say is unmatched, like when it comes to facilities at GNLE.
Right. Uh, what's in store for people who like sports or music or
Yeah.
theater?
So like we have a lot of facilities. So like our college has a cricket team. It's particularly very good and it's state of the art infrastructure. And even when it comes to festivals like Inter-College Sports Fest, we have continued to deliver, and our college particularly has won a lot of them. So I think JNLU has a special focus on sports, and from last year onwards, we also had a sports quota. So like students who have excelled in sports previously can get into GNLU through the sports quota. Yeah. So since you asked about music, for music, we have a music club which is called Arya, and we have a lot of students who are doing some really good work in music. They have been winning fest again, and they're just great, and it's a great place to hang out while you want to beat the law school blues. So that's there. There's one more thing which particularly catches my interest at GNLU is the GNLU Legal Incubation Center. So
Hmm.
who's if you're someone who's into entrepreneurship, and you want to have a venture of your own while studying law, so I think GLIC is a good place for you because from funding to advising to mentorship, GNLU is your one stop if you want to be an entrepreneur while being in law school. So that is also one thing which sets GNLU apart from, I guess, most law colleges in India now.
Yeah. So Pranay, how do you describe a your typical day in GNLU?
Right. So I think that depends, like from the morning schedule itself. So if you're an early riser, our classes start pretty late. It starts around 9:30. So if you're an early riser, it's possible for you to have a morning routine. You can read up, you can work out, go to the library, attend yoga classes. Then you'll have plenty of time for breakfast and then start off with the classes. But again, we also have some room for late risers because you'll still have 10 minutes to have your breakfast and be there in class, because we at GNLU take attendance very seriously. So we have classes till 2, and after class, after 2, you are pretty much free to do if anything that you like. So this is where we really benefit from the choices that we have, because it isn't always the case that like you have to be somewhere, you have to be involved in certain tasks. So you are very well positioned to determine how you want to utilize the time. So in that aspect, GNLU gives you a lot of freedom to utilize your time after class. So that
Yes.
totally depends on what piques your interest.
Next question is, which are the various competitions, be it mooting or ADR, or any other activities, sports fest, or other. I mean, as you mentioned, the entrepreneur cell. So other activities or other fests which your law school
Yeah.
hosts.
Okay. So for mooting, the MCC at GNLU, it hosts GymSil and the GIMC moot, which are like prestigious international moots in it, which happen in India. And then we also have Pentagram, which is our annual cultural fest in GNLU. And other than that, we also have the sports fest, which is called Justice League, which also again happens once a year. And it's a great place to participate if you are into sports and you're looking for some good sports. The activities that are hosted by GNLU. And other than that, we also have a lot of certificate courses which are conducted by top professionals from across the country, and it's also open to people.
Right. The next exciting topic, hostels. So how are your hostels and like
Yeah,
the mess food?
yeah. So I would say hostel, the boys. So I personally went with a lot of expectations, with very high expectations when I first went to GNLU. But I wouldn't say that hostels are bad per se, but they aren't that very good either. But it's decent. Like, it's not too great, nothing fancy about it, but it's a decent place to be in. Like, given that uh, we do not have a lot of alternatives around the campus to stay, and given that it can also be difficult to like rent a place and stay outside campus. Given that, we do have a very decent hostels, and currently, as I speak of it, our hostels are being upgraded. So I think there's something to look forward to when I go back next sem or whenever it is. Yeah. So for the mess food, I think it is good. It is really good. It is.
And regarding the mess food, any foods which are specific to the state? So like any Gujarati food in your mess which is made a
Yeah.
lot.
Yeah. So we get a lot of that. So we get dhokla like once a week. There's something called vibrant farsan. It's like a colorful dish that we get in GNLU. And there are a lot of other stuff that I cannot recall because right now. But yeah, we do get a lot of Gujarati food in GNLU.
Right. And regarding the city of Gandhinagar, so are there any places to sightsee or any restaurants nearby or anything near the
Yeah.
campus to enjoy?
Yeah. So particularly the campus is located in the interiors of Gandhinagar city. So from the main highway, it's around 3 to 4 kilometers inside. And yeah, there are a couple of places that you can visit around Gandhinagar. You have Akshardham, you have the Adalat Stepwell, like in Gandhinagar itself. But if you are willing to travel to Ahmedabad, you can, like, it's 25 kilometers from our college, and you can definitely visit Manik Chowk. You can go to Lal Darwaza. Uh, you can go to Bodak Dev. There are a lot of fancy restaurants over there, and just a lot of places. And I think it's a good place to be.
Sure, Pranay. Many thanks for coming here.